Hello tech lovers, I welcome you to my channel. This is TechwithBunmi. In today's video, I'm going to be giving us a tutorial on how to create like 100 stickers in 10 minutes with Canva. Okay, so you can use the stickers on your daily journal, daily planner, and you can also upload these journals on your GoodNotes if you're using GoodNotes or Samsung Notes. Okay, without any further ado, let's get started with the tutorials. So the first step is to come to this create, you click on create and you will see custom size. Okay, so we're going to be using 2000 by 2000 pixel, right? And I'm going to click on create new design. So I'm going to come to text. So yeah, I'm going to give my sticker a name. So I will call it sticker. Sticker, right? So I'm going to delete this. I'm coming to text. You come to text and I'm going to enlarge this. I'm going to increase it a bit. And I'm going to put this in the middle. So I'm going to be using one of the usual word with our daily planner. Okay. So I'm going to put budget check here. We're going to be making use of this, right? And we're going to enlarge it. So I'm going to change the font. I like this font. So this is it. Then we'll come here. We come to effects and you use this. You increase the thickness. I'm going to change the color to white. You can put any color you want. So I'm going to change the color to color white. I'm going to change the color of this also, the budget check. I'm going to put a nice color there. Let's use this. And I'm going to change the background color. Let's look for something that's going to rhyme with it. Yeah, something like this is good. So I'm going to enlarge it a bit. So this is too plain. So I'm going to come to element again. I will look for stars. Yeah, I look for stars. Then I would adjust it. I will duplicate it also so that it can look good. Okay, I can change this to color white. Yeah, I changed this to color white also. So this is really looking nice. Yeah, choose it a bit. Yeah, this is really looking nice. So after I've done this, I'm going to come to dock. So you can choose from any of these stars and put it on your design. Okay. So now I'm going to go to another page to check on doc. We're going to tell ChatGPT to give us like a prompt on how to create the 100 digital stickers. Okay. So our next step, we're going to come to doc and I'm going to ask this doc, I will tell doc, we'll create a prompt, create 100 digital stickers for a daily planner. Okay, so we're going to click on enter. So you're going to click on this and you click on magic rights. So I'm going to copy this, copy. So we're going to paste our right up here and we click on generate. I rephrased it to 100 digital sticker ideas for a daily planner without a write-up. Just list the digital ideas. Okay, then I'll generate. As you can see, it's listing for us. It's listing for us up to 100. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to copy all this. I'll copy all this, right? Copy. Then we'll come to bulk create. First and foremost. So we're going to come back to our design and I'm going to come to this side. I'm going to look for bulk create. For you to be able to use the bulk create, you need to upgrade to the pro version. If you're not using the pro version, you will not be able to access it. So you can only use it on your desktop or on the laptop. So just take a look at that. I'm going to click on bulk create and we're going to enter our data manually. So we're going to paste our stuff here. The sticker is there. Then when you scroll down, you will see done. Okay, and you come here. As you can see, you can use this to connect your data, and you can also right click and connect your data. Okay, so you can use any one. I'm going to be using this. Say connect data. Then this is our sticker, and you want to see the magic right now. You click on continue. Okay, and as you can see, we have like if you click continue, it says generate 100 designs. Right? You can use this design, you can use it on your social media and you can use it on TikTok, any of the social medias. So now I'm going to generate this 100 designs. As you can see, it created a folder for us. So we're going to go view it in our folder or we go to our project. So we come to the folder. So this is our design. What do you guys think? So after putting all these designs like this, you come to share, right? So you come to share and you click on download, okay? And you make sure you download with PNG, right? And also remember to click on transparent backgrounds. So when you click on this transparent background, okay, for you to be able to use this transparent background, you have to also have the pro version. Like anywhere you see all this crown is a pro version. The free version cannot, you don't have access to it with the free version. Okay, so now I'm going to click on transparent background and we're going to download it. So now our stickers is being downloaded. Yeah, you can see. So as you can you see how beautiful this is looking? Can you see how beautiful it is looking? So this is how, because we did it as a transparent background, it's going to come out like this. So you're going to use this. After downloading it, you can upload it to your GoodNotes and you can also upload it to your Samsung Notes, okay? After you upload it to your Samsung Note, you can always select the ones you want and use it for your daily planner. So we've come to the end of this tutorial. Let me know if you have any questions and I'll be in the comment section to answer you. See you in my next video and bye for now. Cheers.